This is Renee Olivia, and in this video, I am going to do an unboxing of my Walmart haul. I actually haven't shopped at Walmart lately, and I have been super impressed with some of the pieces they have, especially for summer, and I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, so I needed a few things. So anyway, I'm gonna just show you what I got. I haven't really tried anything on, but I wanna style everything for you, so I'll do that in another video. But anyway, let's get into my Walmart haul and let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. The first item is this really cute kimono, and this is a great color and print that is going to really go with a lot of the bathing suits that I already have in my wardrobe. And I just love a long, flowy beach cover up, bathing suit cover up, just because it's super flattering, you're comfortable, and it's lightweight. So I'm excited to style that up for you. The next piece, this is another cover up. Now, just so you know, this haul is really summer related, and it is a lot of bathing suits cover ups. I even have sunglasses, so it'll be a great little haul. But I love this crochet. And again, it's black, so it's going to be a really great piece to go with a lot of the bathing suits I already have. I tend to go with neutral colors that you can mix and match with a lot of pieces in your closet. And so that's why I wanted the black, but it comes in lots of different colors, and I love the crochet. The next, this one is a good one. Look how cute this bathing suit is. I love this lemon print. It is adorable. I mean, look at the back. It's like a kind of like a corset, so it's gonna suck you in all the right places. I can't wait to try that on for you. Such a cute, cute print. Love it. This is gonna go with everything this summer. I love a good beach bag, and this is a great color. This does come in a couple different colors, so I wanted to go with this again because it's very neutral. When I go on vacation especially, I like to have pieces that I don't have to bring a lot of different bags. This is going to go with a lot of different outfits, so it saves space in your luggage. So this is going to be great. Looks like it has a lot of space in here, and it even has like the zipper pockets, which you can put like your keys or your sunglasses or anything that like your wallet, and keep that all secure. So this is a great, great addition. Love it. Next up, we have the comfy little flip-flops, and I like that it is a little bit more of like a cushion. And then I feel like, again, the black is going to go with so much. I love this just because you don't have to worry about ruining a really expensive pair of sandals. Just wear these and get the sand in them, and you're going to be comfortable and look cute too. This is another cover up, and this is really cute. Again, I love the taupe color, and this side, you can see how it kind of like cinches in, so it doesn't have to be super, wide. You don't want it to be too wide. You want to kind of have it so it's flattering as well, and it'll be lightweight. Again, I like the crochet detail. Oh my God, this bathing suit I got because it's giving me Missoni vibes. So you're going to get the Missoni kind of feel and vibe, but not at that Missoni price. I really love this. I think this is going to be super flattering. Hopefully. I haven't tried it on yet. I love the colors. They're really bold, and you're going to stand out on the beach. Oh, and look at the little details here on the straps. Really, really cute. I love this. Really great quality too. And that's the back. Oh, this is another bathing suit. Really cute. I'm like really impressed with Walmart. The swim and all of the beach items are so cute. Okay, so this is I got the black. This is a cutout bathing suit. It looks like it's full coverage in the back, which I like. So this is going to be a cute one to try on. I love the color. Look at the color. And this is like a ribbed kind of texture material. And again, this is a cutout, super cute. Looks like full coverage in the back, and it ties like that. This is going to be adorable. I can't wait to try this on. And it's light, 2 pieces. I got a 2-piece. I don't normally get 2 pieces. I really am a 1-piece kind of girl. But the reason why I got this, first of all, I love the color. It's super, like, you can work with the taupe cover-ups. It's going to be really cute, this chocolate brown. But I got it because it's high-waisted and you can tie it and kind of cinch it up a little bit. So I really am looking forward to seeing how this 2-piece looks on. Next up, I did get some sunglasses because I do have a lot of designer sunglasses, but I also want to get more affordable. I like to have more affordable sunglasses because if I go on the beach, or I'm not going to worry about them getting damaged or whatever, but these are super cute. Ooh, I like these. These are very designer-esque at an affordable price. Really good purchase on this one. Oh, I got this because it's like, I like the neutral stuff, but I also wanted like a pop of color too. So this, I got the really cute bright orange, and I love that it's see-through. You can see everything that you have in your bag. If you're going to the beach, super cute. I love it. Okay, another pop of color. I got another 2-piece, and I got this again because it is high-waisted. I love the cobalt blue, and this is the top. It's like a 1 shoulder, and it has like the tie. This is gonna be adorable. I can't wait to try this one on. Almost done. I have a few more. I got these shoes because I do like a little bit of height, but I also want to be comfortable. So I feel like this platform, the full platform sandal, really will be comfortable. And it's white, has multiple different colors, but I went with white to kind of go with everything, like those. And then this bathing suit, I hope it comes before I try everything on. I got a large for some reason. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the small before I do the try on for you, but I thought this was a super cute little bathing suit. And these, I got more flip-flops just because you can never have enough, and these are super affordable. These are very comfortable, and it does have the little bit of a platform, soft, so I can't wait to try these on. And last but not least, I have another pair of shoes that are very designer inspired. These are adorable. I love the fact that it also has the brown here as well as up here. It just gives that extra detail. It's very expensive looking, which I like. That was my unboxing video from Walmart. I hope that you subscribe so you can see the styling portion of this video. I really am so excited to show you. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you never miss any of my videos, and I will see you all next time.